Mission begins in 30 seconds.
Down and mates!
But of course, what did they expect?
3, 2, 1.
Come on! Head left. Help me capture this point. This point ain't gonna cap itself. Get over here! No. Come on, fellas.
I am the spy.
Giddy up! Building the sentry. Help! Come here, cupcake. Help now! Incoming!
Gentlemen, shall we? Go right!
Good work. Help me!
But of course.
Let's do this Texas style.
Help me defend! Help! Some assistance, please! I require assistance!
Yeehaw! Yeah! Building the sentry. You have no match for me. Come on! Roll back to hell, you bloody
Attention. 5 minutes left.
Sentry down!
5 minutes left in the mission.
Some assistance, please!
Sentry down!
Require assistance!
Go ahead and try. Oh, help! Good night, Irene. Help me! Hell. I leave!
Help!
Come here, cupcake.
Help me capture the point! Would someone care to help me capture this?
Building the sentry. Sentry down! Incoming! It's rolling bloody back! Moving back! To the right!
Surprise!
Building the sentry.
Well, off to visit your mother!
Hell. We gotta hold this point.
Get to it! Go!
Building the sentry.
Run away! Run away! Run away! Out of my way! Out of my way!
Do it!
I dominate you!
Building a sentry. Out of my way! Out of my way! That was getting heavy. Sentry down!
Get to the car, you bloody idiot! Oh, man.
Building the sentry. Sentry down! Sentry down! Help me! I need some doggone help!
What the hell just happened? What happened? Bloody hell.
Building the sentry. I'm moving this. Nope.
I dominate you, you slug.
I did what I could. Sentry down!
Run home!
Help! Help me!
Come
on! Roll back to hell, you bloody cart! There can Building the sentry.
Run home!
Help me! I need some doggone help!
I have a plan for you. More pain.
You and me, partner. Yeehaw! Packing up. Building a sentry.
Right, to the right.
Building a sentry.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
This is as good as you're gonna do. Bloody hell.
Building a sentry.
Not our finest
victory.